The next one, so how we can apply the scripts to HTML elements. So this script tag is used to add the client-side scripting like JavaScript in the document. It can be defined anywhere within the web page. The script element either contains the scripting statements or it points to an external script like a script file through the SRC. Through the SRC. Then we can see. So then we can see. So how we can apply this script tag to HTML element. So then, so same thing, copy and so 23.html. So then HTML script tag. Okay. So now styles we are used for script tag. So when I on click, okay, on click is one event. On click is one event. So alert. So when I click on that element, so alert, so I'm showing one alert here. Okay, alert. So welcome to HTML script tag. Okay, so this way, so same way how we can include the style sheet. So JS also we can include. So this is called inline scripting. Okay, now if you can see 23.html. See now. So when I click on that one, so we have to show the alert box. Now I am clicking. So then welcome to HTML script tag. Okay, so this is the way we can apply the styles for HTML. So the next one, so if you want to see here same way, so if you want to call this one every time, we have to call this one. So at the same time, so here you can open the script tag. Okay, so then you can create the function. Okay, function my click. So then here I am writing same alert box for this one. Okay, cut this one. So then okay, so then I want to call this function. I click, so then my click function and call it. Now you can see. Okay, so same thing, so same function if you want to apply to paragraph tag also we can apply it. Okay, so on click, so this is the one, sorry, on click. So then on over, on mouse over. Okay, so then when we mouse over on that paragraph element, so then we can call the function. So yes, so when we give the same function to the, so different type of events. Here I am using on click. So then on mouse over, when we mouse over that element, so then so this function will call. Now you can see. So second paragraph, right? See now. So I didn't click that one. So when I hover on that one, so then it is called, right? So when I click, so when I hover on this one, it is not coming. So for this, we are writing the event called on click. So when I click on that one, then scripting is called. So this is the way we can include the scripts for HTML elements. Okay. So the next one is the nav tag. Next one is the nav tag. So why we can, so if you want to group an element, grouping more than one anchor tags, then at the time we can use the nav tag. Okay, nav means so navigation. So the nav tag defines a set of navigation links. Set of links. The nav elements defines only for major block of navigation links. Okay, so what we can define? So major block of elements only we can define in navigation. So when we open the real-time website, see it here. So only, so here it is having the navigation. So what we are having in this one, so main links only it is having. So they didn't place the internal links. That means this block link, this block link, this block link, they didn't mention here inside of the nav tag, inside nav tag. So they are placing major pages links only they are placing. Okay, now how we can give that? Copying and 24.html. So then, so removing all these things. Okay, so then this one also, this script's not required. Okay, now, so what we have to write? First one, nav tag we have to open. Nav means navigation tag. So using nav, so when we place a more than one link, so we can use the navigation tag. Okay, so it is not necessary. So if you want to use the div tag, then you can use it. It's no worries. But so someone is came new person to your project, so he don't know. So why, what is this div? So and also every page in that page multiple times we are using the div elements. Okay, so at the time, so new developer may confuse. So that's why, so we can use the semantic tags. Semantic tags. So then when we use the nav tag here, oh, so this is a, so inside of this one they can place a major block of links. Okay, now, so we have to create a anchor tags, a href. So 10.html, okay, or 20.html. 20.html is a, so what inside it is having? So html special characters. Okay, html special characters. So the next one is, next link is 21. 21, what we are having? So meta tag information we are having, meta info. So the next one, 22, 22.html. So style info. So the next one, so fourth tag is 23rd, script info, right? So this way we can place the links inside of your navigation tag. Okay, so then 24.html. So this is the way. Okay, now if you want to provide some styling this one, if you want to provide some styling this one, so we cannot write all the css inside of anchor tag. Okay, so we cannot write inside of css styles for inside anchor tag. So then that's why, so we can choose the ul. Why we can choose the ul? So these are the list of anchor tags. So that's why we are taking the, there is no order for this one. So that's why we are taking the ul. Okay, so inside of this one, so I am opening ul. So then created. Okay, anchors list is having, so that's why I'm taking ul. So then li, so for each and every element, so we can, each and every link we can place in one list. Okay, so the next one is li. So then close li. Okay, so then here also closing. then here also close it. So then now it is very easy if you can, if you want to, if you want to place a CSS. Okay, it is very easy for us. So now it is displaying one by one. So this is called the vertical navigation. So if you want to place so one after another, so we have to place it. So next one. So for this UL, we can write display a flex. Okay. So this is the horizontal navigation. So previous one is the vertical navigation. Okay. So display flex. So then we have to write some styling for this one. Then list anchor tags list display sorry padding 10 pixel. Okay, so then for UL only we can write list style. So I want to remove that, bulletin. So for that list style none. Okay, so bulletin is removed. So then padding 10 pixel. So then font size 20 pixel. Okay, so then next one color is gray. Okay, so this is the list element styles. So now I'm writing here. So first one is the UL one. Okay, so what we are write in inspect element. So first we written so display flex, right? So the next one what we are write list style none. Okay, to remove the bullet point. So the next one so UL and LI. Now padding, we are written padding 10 pixel. So then color green. So then font size 20 pixel, right? So then now we can reload this. So color is not applied. So because of we have to write the color for this one only. So LI A. So we can write it here font and color and font size. Now you can see. Okay. So I want to remove this border also. So how I can remove text recognition none, right? Text hyphen recognition none to remove that border. Okay. So this way we can place the navigation. Okay. So all these things we can discuss in the CSS. Okay. So this is the way we can place the navigation. So actually in nav tab, so we are placing the more than one anchor links. Okay. Clear? So that is the nav tag. So the next one is HTML audio, video, and YouTube. So YouTube we are already discussed. YouTube we already discussed. So then we are having the attributes, so we can discuss about those attributes also. Okay. Now first one is the HTML. Sorry, this one is the audio tag. Okay. So HTML5 audio tag is used to embed the HTML5 audio tag is used to embed the audio link to our web page. Okay, so then it's a attribute works pretty similar to the video tag. So for video and audio tag both attributes are same only. Okay, so but so for each and every audio element or video element is having one extension, right? So those extensions may work or may not work some browsers. So most probably 99% all the browsers can support the MP3 format for audio tag. Okay, so first we have to open the audio. Okay, so then creating new file. So then 25.html. Okay, so then I don't want this CSS audio tag example. So then so we can place the, so first we have to open the audio. Okay, so audio tag opened and audio tag closed. So then we have to give the src of this one, right? Source, that one is called source of audio tag. So inside of source tag, we have to give the src source of that the audio file. So where we are having, so somewhere we are having, then I'm going to the desktop. So you are trying HTML. It is not having. Maybe it is having inside of this one. Just give me a second. HTML. So these are the big ones. Yes, HTML, audio, video, these two are required for. Okay, so then next I'm placing these two things in our folder. So where we are having, so E drive, UI training. So inside of images, I can place these two things. Okay, HTML audio, this is MP3, this is a video MP4. Okay, so first we can see the audio tag. So source src, src, where we are having this one images slash, so html audio dot mp3. Okay, give the, we have to give the type of this one type. So what type of extension it is, what type of extension it is. Okay, it's a mp4, right? mp3, right? So this one. Okay, now when we go to the browser, 25.html. Now we are unable to see where it is having. So, but we are able to see the voice, but now we are able to hear the voice. So we have to use the controls. Without controls, we cannot see that one. Controls. So then now you can see. Are you able to see? So this is the way. So compulsory. So we have to place the control attribute for audio tag. So without giving this one, so if we can hide the control, so then we are unable to see anything. So we can able to see video format. So at least we can able to see the video poster. So but here, so we are having for MP3 audio tags, we are having only controls. Okay, so then controls. So then we can see. Yes, now we can play it. Okay, so it is right. All right. So this is the way we can place the audio tag inside of HTML page. Okay. So then we can use, we are having the attributes. We are having the attributes. First attribute is control. So without control, we cannot see that one. So the next one, autoplay. Autoplay, it won't work. Okay, it won't work. So whenever we are placing these things inside of server only, it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. So then autoplay. So there is no use. Okay, see now. So it is not play. Autoplay means when we load the web page, it is automatically plays this video. Okay, play the video. Okay, then now see another attributes. Loop. Loop. It specifies the audio file will start over again after completion of that audio. Now, loop is if you can place the loop, okay. So loop is another attribute. So then you can see. So I'm playing this one. So I'm taking to the so 230 up to 230. Okay, now you can see. So it is automatically placed again. That means loop. Again it is repeat. See, again it is starting. Okay. So if you don't use the loop one, if you don't use the loop, so it plays only one time. It plays only one time. Not playing. Okay, it stops. So if you can place the loop, so then it is again repeating that one. Okay, so the next attribute is mute. So if you want to mute the voice, so then we can use the muted. See now, so it is voice control is enabled now. So when I reload this one, it is automatically getting the strike. That means it is voice is muted. Now see, okay. So these are the attributes are having inside of the audio tag. Clear. So the next one, so src, source src, we have to use it. Without source we cannot. Okay, so this is the audio information. So do you have any doubts? So this is the today's class. So then remaining things we can discuss tomorrow. So if you have any doubts you can ask me. So any doubts? If not, we can close it. Okay, then fine, thank you.